just gotta be real careful when we move it.
Yeah. So Terry was just saying in the video that, you know, sometimes he'll use his cutoff wheel, but sometimes he'll just use his 10 snips. And that once we go ahead and pick this material up, now it's going to be fatigued because this whole section right here is now missing, except for that little band.
So a lot of the times I'll support it, take down a piece of wood, coming across here to
And tape it.
keep it from moving on.
Flexing and moving on. That way it doesn't get damaged when you go back and put it back in place. So there's a bunch of different styles, 10 snips. There's a left, there's a right, there's shorts, there's straights, there's stubbies, all for cutting material in different ways. As you can see, that these 10 snips, they naturally want to go ahead and contour to the right hand.